Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
This video explains the only way to use dual SIM on iPhone XR. The iPhone XR uses one physical nano SIM and one eSIM simultaneously. Confirm your carrier supports eSIM before proceeding an update to the latest iOS. Gather your carrier's QR code, activation code, or use the carrier app to install an eSIM profile. Ensure you have your account information and any unlocking codes ready. This preparation prevents activation delays and ensures smooth Open Settings and tap Cellular to add your eSIM profile now. Tap Add Cellular Plan and scan the QR code provided by your carrier. If you have an activation code, enter it instead when prompted by the screen. After the eSIM installs, assign a label like primary and secondary for clarity. Choose which line you want for voice calls and which line for mobile data. Restart the phone if activation does not complete within a few minutes. Manage your lines by returning to Settings and choosing Cellular again. Select the line to use for mobile data and switch lines when needed. Set caller ID rules and choose the number shown during outgoing calls. Use the line labels to avoid confusion between personal and business usage. If you travel internationally, disable data roaming on the secondary line to prevent unexpected charges. Remove or reinstall an eSIM profile through Settings if you change carriers or need to update service.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.